Bonjour, I'm Jean-Baptiste and we are here in Paris, in my home city, at L'Atelier des Chefs. And basically I'm doing cooking classes, especially French cuisine. Today is chicken supreme stuffed with preserved lemon. And we're gonna do some veggies, carrot and snap peas with fresh tarragon. Is it good? Doing a cooking class is really nice to understand French culture. You will start a recipe from the beginning to the end, and you will see it's really easy, but you will learn the French way to cook. You can use it as well in your own country to add a French touch.
There we are.
Perfect. The dishes what we cook are especially chicken, and the people are really surprised the way we cook chicken here and the technique we use to cook it. Simply, food and France are like linked. You cannot be in France without tasting food, cooking food. It's part of our culture. We are cooking every day in France. It's like music. Trafalgar guests love to come at L'Atelier des Chefs. I love to teach my passion about cooking, and I'm waiting for you in Paris to share my experience. Well done, well done.
Thank you.
Thank you.